Hi, welcome to Study Harbour. Are you ready to unlock the power of programming and take your skills to the next level? Today, we're going to explore one of the most popular and versatile programming languages out there, Python. Python is a high-level, interpreted language that's easy to learn, efficient to code, and incredibly powerful. It's the perfect language for beginners and experienced programmers alike. So, what makes Python so special? For starters, its syntax is simple, making it easy to read and easy to write. It's also a dynamically typed language, which means you don't need to declare variable types before using them. Python have a vast collection of libraries and frameworks, by which you can tackle a wide range of tasks, from data analysis and visualization to web development and artificial intelligence. Python is also an extremely versatile language. It's used in various industries, including data science and machine learning, web development, automation, etc. So, who uses Python?
Well, the list is endless. From startups to Fortune 500 companies, Python is a favorite among developers, data scientists, and researchers. Companies like Google, Facebook, and Netflix use Python extensively in their production environments. That's it for today's introduction to Python programming language. If you're new to Python, don't worry, we'll be covering the basics and beyond in our upcoming tutorials. Till that time, like, share, and subscribe our videos to learn more. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.